Artificial intelligence has the potential to dramatically and irreversibly change the world of work at a pace faster than our ability to implement adequate adjustments. The deployment of AI leads to significant productivity gains by automating repetitive and laborious work processes and compensating for a shortage of skilled workers. However, as technology progresses, more complex tasks are also taken over, which eventually affects not just simple, but gradual loss of jobs leads to social upheavals that have not yet been offset by new job opportunities. Leading figures in global economics and finance have acknowledged this trend. In December of last year, the International Monetary Fund released a paper authored by Anton Koronek, a University of Virginia professor, which examines the possible ascendance of AI over human cognitive abilities and societal repercussions. Koronek points out that both AI in general and AGI in particular might turn into reality in as soon as 5 years or as long as 2 decades, a progression that promises to wield considerable influence over job by thought leaders such as Geoffrey Hinton, an innovator in the realm of deep learning, and Ray Kurzweil, a visionary at Google, with both underscoring the swift progression of AI technologies. The risks of this development are diverse and affect different social strata. For example, simple tasks in factories or in retail are increasingly being replaced by automation technologies. Algorithmic trading poses challenges to traditional stockbrokers. Also, the impact of major technology projects such as the AI computing center Stargate, planned by OpenAI and Microsoft, which has the potential to create digital co-workers, will change the employment on AI-based workers, reducing the dependence on human labor and further destabilizing the job market. Despite these challenges, there are negative impacts. A capital gains tax could be used to more heavily tax profits made through technology, increasing public revenue that could then be invested in education and retraining programs. A machine tax could tax companies that use automation technologies, citizens with a minimum level of financial security, regardless of their employment situation. However, these measures need to be discussed and implemented early to ensure a fair distribution of the benefits of technological advances and effectively mitigate the risks to the labor market.